to -20. Now, if we live in Alaska, that's a whole new situation, but we're not in Alaska. So you need this. It is flammable. It can catch on fire. The vapors are harmful, so you don't want to be smelling this. You don't want to be drinking it. You don't want to touch it and get in your eyes, but you need some of this. So you're going to have to take care of your car. That's what you need to do. Or your air conditioning. Your air conditioning blows cold air. Defroster, hot. You're turning it to the heat or red. You turn it to the blue or the little snowflake, it's going to blow cold air. So you need to know that dashboard. We'll talk about that. What does searching for hazards in traffic depend most on? Eye movement. Looking left, looking straight, looking right. Got to have good eye movement. When approaching an expressway ramp on your right, you can make it